Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to change a screen on XR. Please, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. So there's two screws at the bottom. Open them. I have that screen opener. I always use it when I open the screen. The screen is broken, that's why it's not take a place. You can still take this one as well. Get little bit heated up if you are opening a phone first time, so you get little bit heated up. There's 3 screws, one under here and one is here. There's 3 screws have to open to disconnect the battery. So you're gonna disconnect the battery first. Disconnect the battery. Always when you're doing something with the phone hardware wise, you have to disconnect the battery to make sure there's no spark of anything when you're disconnecting the flex of the screens and that. And that's 2 screw was for screen flex, and now you're going to open the screws for camera flex and a Face ID flex. Thus your screen is removed and you can leave the phone on the side. So you have 3 screws on the top of the Face ID and the camera and the speaker. Be very careful on that. This is very sensible parts of the phone.
I was like, I didn't get in the car now.
This flex is already removed, so it's very easy to this one is easy to remove because it's already removed it, because that screen already changed, so it's easy to remove it. Now I removed it, there's a new screen and this flex will be go up on that. Be very careful on this because it's very sensitive. If it breaks, your Face ID never work. Always leave the screws on the place where you opened it, so it's easy to put them back. Always leave the screws at how you opened it. Leave them on the floor, same on the board, because it's easy to get them back on the same place. Set, bring the phone back. Stick your screen on it to check connect the battery. So turn that phone on to check out how the screen is. Turn off the phone. No, put that one back. go. I'm gonna pack it up.